Hi, Katrina.
Hi.
What you doing?
I just do my homework.
You really? What do you have for homework today?
I have snack here for
Snack.
you.
Oh,
Snack here.
thank you. Did you go to the doctor's already?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did the doctor say?
Oh, I say I got a little bit late. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
We're a little bit late. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Is that your coat? Are you going to the doctor's again?
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh, you're hanging it.
That hurts. Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?